Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Muhammad Javed and you are watching Sci-Tech Pakistan. Sci-Tech Pakistan is the first scientific and student-oriented YouTube channel to update our youth about the latest technological revolution in the world. Let's start. What I have today from the modern world of science and technology for you. Our first news is from the emerging world of digital immortality. Digital or virtual immortality is the concept of storing or transferring a person's personality into the supercomputer, where human cells die but intelligence lives on. It is about conquering death with technology. But how can we do it? Companies digitize everything about you. Your credit card transaction, your emails, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, everything about you can be digitized. Scientists are mapping pathways of entire human brains. All your memories, all your personalities, and are able to put into the disk and convert into a holographic image. One day we might be digitized and we will able to talk with our great grandsons because we become immortal. Humans have been chasing immortality from millions of years. But what if science and technology made it possible? This is about uploading the brain to a supercomputer. That is what the basic concept behind digital immortality. The next big news of the week is linked to digital immortality is about robot clones. In science and technology, a lot of new innovations are expected in the near future from artificial neural network and robotics. A Russian startup Promobot is selling robot clones, and now you can choose to make a robot that resemble any person on the earth. It means that everyone now be able to order a robot with any appearance for professional or personal use. Imagine a replica of a Shahid Afridi is selling cricket t-shirts, and yes, it would be attractive for business point of view. This robot face has 18 moving parts which allow it to give 600 micro expressions, and artificial intelligence gives more than 100,000 speech modules. If you are interested, you can place your order on a Promobot website. Promobot is already taking their orders online. One of the robots will be stationed in the government service center where it will perform several functions including passport scanning. Next latest news of the week is about 3D printed skin. Researchers from the Polytechnical Institute in Troy, New York claim to have 3D printed skin that is alive and have blood vessels. This new technique could accelerate the healing process for patients who receive skin grafting, especially for burn victims. In a paper published on this Monday in the Journal of Tissue Engineering, the researchers explained how they added cells that are extremely important for the development of blood vessels to animals' collagens inside a complex network of 3D printed tissues, which induce the cells to form vascular structures within weeks. This 3D printed skin has the potential to connect and communicate with mouse blood vessels in an animal trial. But that doesn't mean it is ready to use for a human yet. Donor cells would have to be modified using gene editing technique CRISPR to stop host body from rejecting the graft. The next amazing science and technology news is from the field of biomedical engineering. By using next generation bionic glasses, scientists let blind people to recognize objects on the table and to read letters on the screen. If the patient's photoreceptors have been damaged, then a device from a second sight company involves implanting 60 electrodes directly into the visual cortex. These electrodes send signals to the brain and controlled by the camera that is mounted onto the pair of glasses. This device works by generating picture contrasting white and dark blocks on the grid. By using visual memory and moving head, a blind person can reconstruct a scene. How it works is a bioengineering marvel. It starts with half centimeter wide electronic strip placed inside the patient's eye. This delicate device is a array of electrodes that have to place in the back of eye where retina is. It is basically placement of electronic package around the eye. Some portion of this device is outside of the eye while the other portion of the device is inside the eye. This strip of 60 electrodes stimulate retina cells with a pattern of pulses and sending signals to the brain. This clip is a real-time example of a second sight device implant result that will bring light in the life of thousands of people across the world. In the student corner, there is one very useful website for our young students to make their CV online in a simple way. You just have to browse resumemaker.online from your browser, and by using this website, you can design your resume in real time and download a print in PDF form. By just click on Design My Resume tab, a new page appears. Enter your name and your profession. You can also add your picture by clicking here in a very simple way. Here in personal details section, you can add your date of birth, nationality, address, and contact number. You can also add your professional experience, including certificates, achievements, and educational record here. In this website, by just a single click, you can change a color of your text, change the font style, size, page type, and download your CV in a single click. My dear friends, I hope this short video will update your scientific information. To get more scientific news, subscribe our channel and suggest below in comments how to improve our content in a more better way.